getting one of my students a Polar Pop because I owe him a Polar Pop. But I'm gonna leave my phone over here and I'm gonna try to get the guy at the counter to dance. Let's see if it can work. You like dancing or what? Show me the dance. Yeah, show it to me. Show me the dance moves. Got it? Good. I see you dance. Come on, go up here. Come on. What's up, guys? Welcome to my vlog. If you don't know me, I'm Casey, and I'm Casey. Anyways, that guy was not down. He wasn't down. I was trying to get him to dance at Circle K. He said next time he'll dance. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy my vlog. Love you guys. Out. What's up, vlog? We're here at Cruise Party Ugly Sweater. What's up? Dang, she got the shot. Okay. My fiance likes talking to random people.
We out here.
We out here.
These are my lovely people, my humans.
Like a bird, Jenna.
We out here.
Yo, did you see this? Did you see my tongue? Do it.
Who's honking?
What in the world?
I know, right?
You're gonna think they're honking at you.
What's up, guys? It's Monday night and I got a package. Check it out. Let's go. So I'm here hanging out at the house and I got a package. And it is from Our Life TV. Heck yeah. You need to go check them out. And it's shipped. Check this shipping out. The Life of C and K. All right, let's check it out. Let's see what it is. I got my stand. Thank you, Mitch. I love you. I was gonna see you on Sunday, but I think you shipped it to me because you figured you were gonna give it to me, but thanks, man. Love it. Thank you, bro. You're the bomb. What's up, guys? I'm here hanging out in my house with my Joby. I just got the Joby. I'm working with my new mic. How's it look? I hope it looks good. Check it out. We're gonna go to the bathroom. Check it out. That's my new camera rig. It's sick. Got the mic. Can't hear me. Got the Joby. Let's see what it looks like. Sick. It looks great. I love it. Thank you to Our Life TV for donating it to me. Ooh, a little dark. Our Life TV donated this to me. Love you. Thank you for keeping the vlog fresh. Boom. I'm out. All right, class. Just kidding. You have free time the whole day.
What?
Ha, just kidding. You go back to work. Shh. Class.
Yes.
Shh. Mikey, you upset?
Yeah, I'm crying on the inside.
You're what?
He's crying on the inside.
All right. If you talk, you have lunch attention. Tip number 1 when you go to Circle K, try the drink before you leave. I'm already at school. And the drink is disgusting and I'm spilling all over myself. Whatever. So I ran back to Circle K and Albert, the guy I'm trying to get to dance, gave me a free drink because he honored my what I said and that the drink was disgusting. So I got a free drink. Thank you to Circle K on 35th and Union Hills, north west corner. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys. What's up, guys? I'm on my way home from work. Hold on, I gotta put my seatbelt on. Oh, there's my Pop-Tarts. Didn't know where they went. Anyways, I got a present from one of my students. I'm gonna open it when I get home. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait to see what my student got me. Perks of being a teacher. Now I'm home. Just gotta go inside and here we go. Let's go. Time to open the gift. All right, what's up, guys? We're here. We gotta see what my gift is. Oh! Starbucks gift card. Oh, an ornament for my Christmas tree of the Angels. If you don't know, my cousin plays on the Angels. I'm a diehard Angels fan. Yeah, let's go. Anyways, peace out. I'm out. Love you guys. Bye. So we're here in the car. Mom, say hi.
Hi.
We're on our way to Costco to get our dog food, and we're just chilling.
In the back.
We're going away to the back because that's where the dog food is. We're here to get puppy chow. There it is, puppy chow. This is puppy chicken rice vegetable formula made with fresh chicken. Mom, I don't think that's the right kind, but anyways, we're here to get puppy chow. We get the dog tomorrow. I can't wait to introduce you to him officially at our house. Fine, leave me hanging, Mom.
Oh, bye.
Bye. Leave it up to me to mess it up. I did. I was at Costco.
So what
I
did
bought
it
a whole
be?
bunch of stuff. 30 bucks.
Yeah.
I bought something and forgot I had a gift card or like coupons. Gotta go back and redo it all. I'm dumb. Anyways, we gone. Nothing better than parking lot duty.
And they came, we made them, I went and picked them up. We get Bentley today. Beautiful.
Today is the day I drive 100 miles an hour to get home so I can get my dog. Let's go. I'm home and they're not here yet, but we get Bentley soon.